Monday morning fabrics. I've got some really good ones for you. This first one we're going to start with is an embroidered linen. It's just so pretty. It's still got great drape. Embroidery, boy, Lafayette 148, Acra. So many of the companies are doing like just classic blouse, like pattern 600, but with an embroider on it. And this is just beautiful. I'm going to hold that still so that you can get a really good look. It's pretty. It's a beautiful orange and like a light cream. It's so pretty. It's just very, very pretty. And then I put some colors that go with it. We've got this, this is a cotton poly knit. This is 100% linen, cotton poly knit. This has stretch in both directions, great hand, great texture. Just for really anything. It's just a really nice fabric. This is 100% viscose, but it's like a scuba. I mean, it's not quite as thick as a scuba. It's a little thinner. It's beautiful. We don't have a lot of yardage, but look at the color. It goes with the orange, the green. It just about goes with everything. It's really pretty. It's got stretch in both directions. And then we've got, this is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. This is so pretty. I mean, it's like just the prettiest green. It's not really an olive. It doesn't have that much yellow, but just a really true spring green. Again, it's 100% cotton. It has stretch in one direction. Very pretty. And it's got really good drape. It's got really good weight. It's really great for a jacket or pants. And then look at this. This color is this. It's just beautiful. Isn't that pretty? The greens in there are just identical. They just match really well. This is 100% viscose. It's got great drape. It's a woven. Just perfect for a little blouse, skirt, dress, little jacket with it. And then I put this in because we have many requests. Thought it was kind of funny. I put the gold in our sale and I made up the gold top. Let me turn this around so you can see it. For silver. And I had a silver. I just hadn't put it up. And so here's the silver. It's a lovely piece of fabric. It is, cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction, so the stripes can go vertical. It's just lovely. Just really, really nice. So there you have it. Now we've got all of them discounted today. They're different prices, but just, we'll discount them today for today, tomorrow only. So the goal is get the fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.